Can you describe just a little bit about the neighborhood that you grew up in?
I grew up in Potomac, Maryland, which is often considered a very Jewish suburb, but we were really in the part of Potomac that was not. It was considered more the WASP-y part of Potomac. Um, there was a clubhouse, a swimming pool, a tennis court, very competitive sports-wise, and especially swimming and tennis were taken very seriously. That was your culture, and yet I did have piano lessons. I became, I think, a very serious pianist, concert pianist, where I was practicing 2 hours a day. And that classical music, in an odd way, was a very Jewish thing. If you read some of the Jewish literature, like Isaac Babel, if you consider it Jewish literature, he could be writing about me, with his violin lessons. He talks. So there was something Jewish about that I don't think our friends did. They didn't have piano lessons, they didn't have violin lessons. So there was still something to that. I think engagement with higher culture that, ironically, I experience as a kind of expression of Jewishness, even though, what are we playing? We're playing Beethoven sonatas, Mozart concertos, and not exactly Jewish music. And yet, the piano lessons, the violin lessons, it was only my Jewish friends who seemed to be doing this.